So today I'm going to show you, hopefully the fan is not too loud, hopefully I can cut some of that noise out, but I want to show you exactly what I'm checking. Hopefully I can get a good angle and you can see exactly what I'm looking at. So this is the electrical panel here. Open this. This one is just 2, maybe. Just loosen the top 2. Drop down. Got all your capacitor here, your contactor, control board, defrost board, low voltage connection down here. So like I said, capacitor, contactor, low voltage connection, control board up there. That's all that's there, man. All right, so the thermostat temperature was 70 degrees when I was in there. Outside is 76. The return in is 67. So, alright, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to grab our multimeter. I like to grab a brush, have tape around it so it'll cover the metal part so we don't touch any metal to metal contact. Clean it out a little bit, you know, you want to clean it out because bugs like to get in there. The less bugs and webs and stuff like that you have in there, the less a chance you have your contactor not having a long enough lifespan because ants and things like that like to get in there, spiders, and they make the contactor not make contact. So you want to get this stuff out of there. You're good to go. I'm going to be recording all the data. So the first thing I'm going to record on the capacitor is Herm to common. Now this capacitor is rated 45 by 5 microfarads. The 45 is for the compressor, the 5 is for the fan. And I'll break all that down and I'll get that in another video. Just for people that want to learn. So common is right here. Most of them are labeled, some of them not. If you know your wiring, it'll be good. If you don't know your wiring, hopefully you have a label or just learn it. 373, 374, and 379. 374 for Herm to common, 379 for fan to common. That's how many volts they have coming in. So I'm going to check the amps for the Herm. I'm going to check the amps for the fan as well. So Herm with this blue one here. Should be 4 or more. Okay, so it's 6.28. And the fan is the brown one there. Some tight wires here. I'm trying to get the hard spot, the easy spot right here. Trip. Okay, there we go. Okay, 0.7. There we go. That's about right. But it was starting off at like 2 point something. I know that's not right. Rated at 45 by 5. So in order to get the calculations for that, we do 2652 times the amperage for the Herm, which was 6.28, equals 16,654, and we divide that by the voltage we got, which was 374. And that equals 44.5. Remember, it was that side is rated by to be 45. So now the other side, 2652, and that was 0.70 times 0.70. We just got that divided by 379 equals 4.89. So 4.8. So that's within tolerance. And I'm going to get the compressor common wire, same common that's coming off of the contactor. So 9.34, and that is rated with the definite data tag. The unit rate RLA is 15.40. We're going to get the fan. Fan is the other wire that's coming off the fan. It's usually the black one. Notice I said usually because it's not always. 1.08. That one is rated at 1.10, so we're within tolerance. Contactor looks fair. The only reason I say fair is because it's not really rusted, but it is brown. It's turning copperish color. Those come silver, so it's oxidizing. It's okay. I can't see coil for it inside. It's enclosed, which is good, so you don't get too many bugs in there. You might not get any in that one, so it's enclosed, so that's good. So I'm gonna say fair. Filter condition was good. I didn't replace it because it was still in good condition. I flushed the drain line. So now just check the refrigerant. Alright, so now the refrigerant, these have locking caps. I have this little universal tool. I saw one of my guys' video I watch all the time. I'm a label in Houston or either Austin. There's 3 that come in here. So you have the red stripe on it. You have this one, and you have the green stripe. The green stripe is for R410 units. The red is for R22. This is for a universal one. This has a keyhole. It looks like a keyhole, and so does the R22. But there's a different one that this is used for that is just a circle. So that's how you know the difference. They all don't work for each one, so you have to know which cap you actually have. So it's universal in that it's adaptable. Not that each one can be used for everything. So just take these caps off real quick. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And you can see that keyhole right there. Not hard to do. It's been running for about 10 minutes now. So put this on, make sure it's R410, and it is. Let that air out that one, that yellow line from yesterday, unfortunately. So little red, big blue. That's an easy way to remember. And the faster you put on, the better, so you don't lose any refrigerant. It's not catastrophic, but you don't want it to be spewing out and whatnot. Big line. So this line should be saturated, so you should see water dripping. The line should have droplets on it somewhere. Then we're gonna hook our temperature gauges up. We're gonna do it past the. So this is the line that comes automatically. Well, this is the line that comes attached when you get the condenser. There's also a portion right here as well, right here. So it may be brass sometimes, so you want to do it after that, which we know is copper because we weld that in there. Braze it in there now. Suction pressure is 114. Liquid pressure 275. I only have one plugged in, the other one is acting up, so I have to go get another one. The liquid temp is 79. And subcooling is 10. I'm glad it's 10. So now I'm going to switch sides and get the same information for the suction side. This is the that heat drop, that super heat drop as well. Give it a minute to adjust and stabilize on me. While that's happening, I usually just close up the panel. I have the phone sitting there, so I'm not going to do that right now. Close up the panel. Get the water hose, clean out. Yeah. Okay, though. I think it's going to be like 40 something. Okay, 50. Okay. That's good. I like that. 12 and 10. I like what I'm seeing here. So, this is how we do it. What you want to do is liquid line here. I close this. As fast as I can. Put the refrigerant in that line back inside the unit. I'll open it. Drop down, get that out there. Hey, what's the name?